Good evening, everyone. Tonight what we're going to be talking about is length conversions. Okay, earlier today we talked about the different kinds of measurements we can use for length, mass and weight, and volume. Tonight what we're just going to be focusing on is length. Now what I need for you to do is I need for you to pause the video and I need for you to copy this into your math journal and this into your math journal. You need all of these formulas for tomorrow. Please press pause and copy these into your journal. All right, you should have the metric units of measurement copied into your journal and the customary units of measurement copied into your journal. Now remember, metric units are by tens. Okay, so if we're going to look at this problem here, if we have 2,000 meters, how many kilometers would that be? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to write the formula underneath it. Well, 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer. So if I have 2,000 meters, how many kilometers would I have? Well, since kilometers are 1,000, and I have 2 of them, that means 2. And if I read this again, it would say 2,000 meters. So that's how we change between lengths. And we're going to do it between the metric and the customary units of measure using these equations. Now, let's look at this one. If we have 2 feet, how many inches would that be? Well, I'm going to look at my conversions. I know that 1 foot equals 12 inches. Notice I write the equation that I'm going to use to help me solve this problem. So then I would have to do 12 times 2, which equals 24. So 2 feet is the same thing as 24 inches. So I write my equation and I write what I use to solve it. Now, what if you have the problems like, let's see, 5 meters equals how many centimeters? Well, I know 1 meter from my chart that I copied down. 1 meter, oops, that's the wrong one. 1 meter is the same as 100 centimeters. So 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So I'm going to just plug this in. So I'm going to do 5 times 100, which equals 500. So 5 meters is the same thing as 500 centimeters. That's like if I have this meter stick and I have 1 of them, this is 100 centimeters. So if I had 5 meter sticks, I would have 500 centimeters. All right, at home tonight, you're going to try 2 problems on your own. You must have an equation, and you must have how you solved the problem on your papers. You are going to solve for homework tonight, so I'll put a little box around it. You're going to solve 2 problems. You're going to solve 6 yards equals how many feet, and you're going to solve 2 miles equals how many yards. So tonight you need to make sure, oh here, let me move that over so you can see it a little bit more clearly. So tonight you need to make sure that you have these equations copied down, and you have this solved in your journal tonight. I hope you have a great evening, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!